today is a beautiful day with another vlog. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed then please do subscribe. So today I am doing a vlog on my current favorites. Yes, you all heard me right. Since it is nice and beautiful weather out here in London, I have changed my routine from things that I used to normally do, and I have completely changed everything, which I'm going to show you all in a very short time. So please stay with me and check my stuff out. So guys, before we start with our vlog, I'm also going to announce my lucky winners for the past I think so 3 weeks which my cash away was going on, and I told them to keep on following me and keep on liking, commenting, subscribing and telling things that they like about my channel, and a lot of people have really taken a lot of effort. Thank you so very much to all you lovely amazing people out there and supporting me, being with me and watching my channels throughout. So yes, today is the day where I'm going to announce the lucky winners. So let me start one by one. I'm not going to tell everyone, so that will spoil the surprise. As I announce the cash giveaway to the lucky winners, let's make it a little bit of twist in it, whereas I'm going to tell them in parts, so make sure you watch my entire vlog and don't miss any of it. So let me begin with the third cash giveaway prize winner, that is of £20, and that is Jaslyn Estrosio. I'm sorry if I have pronounced your surname wrong, but that's how I am. Really sorry about that, and congratulations to you. I'm really happy, and hopefully you're happy too, and thank you so much. Please keep supporting, please keep watching my vlog, and let's move on to today's vlog. So guys, let me show you today's first thing that I'm going to pick up, and today's first thing is, how can it not be Disney? So yeah, ta-da! So today's first thing that I'm going to show you in my current favorite is my Disney mirror, which is Mulan. I'm not sure if you can see this correctly or if you can see it clearly, but it is of Mulan. And yeah, let me show you how it looks. This is my current favorite because since I've started doing vlogs, I've started using a little bit of makeup here and there which I keep on checking up. So yeah, this is how it looks from inside, and since I'm doing a little bit of makeup here and there, I need to keep checking it so that I don't look like a disaster. So yeah, this is the first current favorite that I've been using and I've been loving it. So let's move on to the next one, and the next thing is this, and it is something amazing that I found out. It's a to-do list which you can stick on the fridge. So here you go, especially if you are someone like me who's working and doing opposite shifts and you don't get to interact much with your partner or your loved ones, and you need to write something and inform them, then here you go, just write it, stick it to the magnet. The moment they come in, since it is nice hot, the moment they open the fridge, they'll see this. And the best thing about this is it comes with a pen. And my next current favorite thing is this watch, which was again a gift from Steven. This is a Lacoste watch. I'm not sure if you can see it. So this is one which is one of my all-time favorite, because it is nice and glittery and shiny. So when it is nice and dark and lights are on, so it shines, and it has a nice crocodile on it, which makes it look even more prettier. So this is my all-time favorite. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing that I've picked is this in my current favorite. I'm sure you can see it, how pretty they are. They are in a nice gold color with black lace on it, and they look really perfect. I'm not very fond of high heels because once I fell wearing high heels, so since then I'm scared. But yeah, these heels are perfectly fine for me, and This is something I'm loving it, and I'm hoping to wear them very very soon because the weather out here is really good. Though because of COVID we cannot go out much and see stuff much, but these are my favorites. If not outside, then I might end up wearing them at home one day and have a dinner like how we did last week. If you haven't checked that vlog, please do check that vlog of mine. So yeah, this week's current favorite shoes are this. Okay, so the second winner and I'm gonna tell is Camilla Lee. Okay, so congratulations Camilla Lee. You are the second prize winner, that is of £30. Congratulations, and really all the best. Please, same as I've said to Jaslyn, support and keep watching my vlogs and keep liking them. The next item that I have picked is this pair of shorts. Yes, I have picked a pair of shorts. Yes, because it is nice and summery and it is very good time in London. In London you can never wear shorts with winters around, but this time the weather has been really good and we love to wear something like this, but you can't go out much. Stay home, stay safe, you know. So I picked this up, but luckily if I have to go somewhere for shopping and if I happen to go, then I might just pop in these and move out. So yeah, this is a nice khaki color. I'm in love this time with the khaki colors. So yeah, I picked another khaki color and they have like nice cute pockets. So you can wear it with a nice black t-shirt or a white t-shirt or even a grey colors. Anything would look perfect on this. And the next thing that I picked is this bag. It says love yourself. Yeah, you should love yourself more than anything else because it's just you who know yourself better than anyone else or anybody else. So yeah, this is it guys. Love yourself. Very nice coating, and as you know it shows makeup stuff. So I said yes, I need to have this in my favorite collections this time because since I have said I've been using a little bit of makeup here and there, so I need to store that makeup when I go out. So yeah, this is kind of nice and cute and handy. So this is how it looks inside. It's just one zip and one compartment, not too many compartments, but yeah, very handy if you are someone like me who uses maybe one or two lipsticks or a liner or a mascara and a foundation. So yeah, this should be more than enough. So my next current favorite for this month is this. This is a nice pair of glass. It's Imperial. I'm gonna show you all this. So these are martini glasses. As you know, I've been doing lots and lots of cocktails and mocktails this week. Not more of cocktails but mocktails, and if you have seen my previous vlog, then you know, like in 2 vlogs I have shown how to do mocktails. So yeah, I'm gonna do more of these. So I needed some new funky glasses which I just found, so yeah, I couldn't leave them back. So let me tell you the first prize winner of this cash giveaway, and that is of £50, and that is Sia Mapari. Congratulations Sia, I'm really happy for you, and as always, please support me, like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends also to do so, and all the best. And I'm really happy for you because your comment also was really good. All 3 comments were amazing. I'm going to even put up the comments if you want me to, but yes, congratulations to you, really happy for you, well deserved. And this is the first prize giveaway for Sia Mapari. Please stay with me because there is a small twist. I have decided to give one more prize to another special one, though it is not going to be a huge prize, but yes, it is going to be a small prize, and I really think she should have got it, though due to the comment I could not move things from here to there, but yes, never know. As I said, like sometimes unexpected people get lucky, and yeah, you are the lucky one. So stay with me, and you never know, one of y'all could be the lucky one. So moving on to the next item, and the next thing that I've picked up is this Marc Jacobs Decadence. Now this is something I'm in love with, love with. This is one perfume, you wear it and you can never be uncomplimented. That means you have to get compliments on this perfume. Trust me, when it comes to perfume, my entire family trusts me because I am a complete perfume person. I can live in perfumes. I love perfumes. You tell me how do they smell and I can tell you. I'm not a very sweet flavor or sweet fragrance kind of a person. I like woody, sea, forest. So I'm always that strong and powerful smelling kind of person. And if you're someone like me, then this is one for you. Let me open this and show you, because I have like literally used 3 of these and I finished 3 of this, because sometimes my husband says that, are you using perfume to smell good or are you taking shower in perfume? Because can't help myself. Perfume is something I'm crazy about. I know everybody has something that they love, and for me that love is perfumes. Yes, I love perfumes and I have a huge collection of perfumes. Maybe one day when I think like, yes, I'm ready to show my collection of perfumes, I would come ahead and do that. So let me open this up for you, especially for you. I was dying to open this up, but I said no, let me show them what I'm talking about and you will know. One of the best, I would say. And look at this. I'm not sure if you can see this. This is a nice velvety cover. It's full of velvet. It's green, emerald green. I'm not sure if you can clearly see this, but yes, this is a beautiful covering. And let's open it up and you will know what exactly I'm talking about. So this is the cover. This is just the cover of the perfume. And see, this is what I'm talking about. This is how this looks, and this is 50 ml, and this is the cover. Now when you like something or when you love something, you should respect that thing and you should do it with respect, you know. And this is how the cover looks. Can you see? Can you see? This is how the cover looks. There you go. Okay, let's open this up as well. Let me show you. You can see. So if the cover and if the make itself is so rich, then you can definitely tell how rich the perfume is going to be. So this is like the top perfume in my collection. There you go. It's like a nice mini bag. Now time about the fragrance. Okay. Where is the knob? Here. Okay. Can never get bored or tired of this fragrance, be it in summer, be it in winter, or any season of the year. Maybe a perfume where you can wear it for a date night or something very important, or something, a festival, a rich festival, when you want people to like say, oh, what are you wearing? And yeah, that is the time when this one pops out, Marc Jacobs Decadence, and this is an emerald color. Love it all the time. I don't need a festival or a function or a party to wear it. Mood off, pissed off, angry, upset, wear the perfume and I'm happy, very very happy. So yeah, I know I spent a few minutes explaining this to you, but guys, trust me, this is worth it. Moving on to the next and the last item in my today's favorite of this vlog is again a beauty like this. Ta-da! So I don't want to show my face focus and my purse not focus much, but yeah, this is how it looks. Sorry the way I'm holding it, but yeah, this is how it looks. This is a beautiful purse. You can carry it anywhere you like, maybe a wedding or a party or a evening date or club, anything. This is so light. This is full of velvet. You can band it anyways, see. So this is that good with golden chains, which is a beautiful handle, and it also has a dark green color of handle right on top to complement the purse. Okay, so now let me tell you, I have picked this up randomly because I'm not a very big fan of purses, but this is something I couldn't resist myself. When I really like something, I know that okay, this is within my budget and I can have it, I'm never gonna leave the opportunity or the chance to just let it go. So yeah, let me tell you one more important thing about this. This is a branded bag which says Olga Birch. Yes, this is an Olga Birch. I'm not a big fan of brands. I don't know a lot of brands, but if you know a lot of brands and if you are into brand, then you should know about this. And let me show you inside. So this has this nice golden clip, rose gold sort of a clip. Just turn it off and ta-da! It gets open. So this is how it looks from inside, and I got a nice bag inside in this. Here you go. That's the name of the brand. So you know, when you use something expensive, designers and branded stuff, then you get this type of things to make sure they are nicely kept and they are not being misplaced or misused or being just dumped anywhere. So just for their security, they always give these bags. So let me show you the inside of this bag. So this bag has a nice 3 compartments. It's like 1, 2 and 3. So this is a very good bag where you can maybe put your phone in one, maybe your wallet or your credit cards in one, and your other normal, maybe a mini pack of makeup, like if you're carrying a simple eyeliner or lipstick in one. Whereas this one also has another zip inside, and if you can see, it has the brand name inside as well. Here you go. And it has a nice zip in here. Let me show you. So here you go. There is a nice zip for something very important which you can keep inside. So here you go. This is how it's gonna look. Okay, and there's one more compartment, nice and small, here on this. So a very beautiful purse with lots of place for storage, lots of compartments where you can store so many things, and so soft, like literally hardly any weight on it. This is something I like. I don't like very heavy things to carry on when I'm going for a wedding or a party or maybe a dinner, but yeah, this is something I love, and this is my this month's current favorite. So yes, this is the last item of today's current favorites. I'm sure I'm gonna come up with many more in coming time. But yes, for today, this is it. So let's not forget the last person who has won the prize. That is a thank you, a big thank you from my side for complimenting on all of my come up vlogs and liking all of my posts on my Insta and following me up on all of the vlogs and checking my previous vlogs up as well. Thank you so much. That would be Jivita Glory. Congratulations, Jevita. I'm really sorry, but I had to be fair, and this giveaway I'm gonna do of £10. I'm thankful for you for watching all of my vlogs, my current vlogs, my previous vlog, and for checking them out, for liking, for supporting me, and very big thank you to you, and all the best, guys. I'm really sorry for those who couldn't win this giveaway. I'm really sorry about that, but this is how it is. Though I did feel a little bad at the time when I was not expecting so many people to come up and comment and say so many things, but y'all did. Thank you so much, means a lot to me. Please don't feel disheartened. Hopefully very soon y'all are gonna be the lucky one, maybe coming future. Not for now, definitely not for now, but yes, maybe in coming time. Please don't feel bad, and please keep loving, stay positive, stay smiling. Please don't feel discouraged. Always be happy with what you have in life, and you never know when you could be the lucky ones. So all the 4 winners for today, y'all can contact me directly on my email ID, and please don't worry that your winning prize might go to somebody else. That's the reason I had asked you all to follow me up on my Insta. I will personally send you all messages on your Insta saying that you all are the lucky one, and please do reply me, and hopefully everything works out well, and congratulations to you once again. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you all have liked my current favorite. Also do let me know what is it that you all have liked the most in my today's current favorite vlog, and I'm gonna end this vlog here itself. Very happy for the winners, those who have won it. Really sorry for those who couldn't make it. Please don't feel bad, and those who have seen this channel for the first time, please do like, share, subscribe, and support me and help me grow my YouTube family. So guys, this is it for today. We'll meet up very soon. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.